Most traders blow up their account because they don't understand just one thing. That one thing is very easy but complex to understand. Hi, my name is Kingsley and this is lionkingforexacademy, where we raise disciplined traders. That one thing is support and resistance. I'm going to explain it in the most clearer and easy terms, and it will unlock everything in your brain. Everybody draws these lines on charts and hoping that price bounces off them. But let me ask you just this one question. If support is so strong as you think, why does it break all the time? Or if resistance is so powerful, why do fake out blow up your account all the time? But it's not your fault, it's never your fault, it's just bad orientation you have acquired about support and resistance. I assure you, before the end of this video, you will never look at price action the same again. Let me break it down for you in a simple English terms. Support, it's like the floor, while resistance, it's like the ceiling. Price bounces in between them, up and down. Let me take you deeper. Support is where lots of people in the past bought. So when price bounces back to that spot, buyers comes in again to buy. While resistance, it's a spot where lots of sellers sold. So when price comes back to that spot, sellers comes in again to sell. Let me tell you why support turns to resistance and vice versa. Let's say you have a resistance and price hits that particular level and drops back. And one day, boom, price breaks it. Let me tell you what happened next. As price comes back down after that breakout, that particular becomes support. Now here's the reason. People who missed the move when it originally broke out now want in by buying again. Now people who sold are now stuck in trade and they want to get out of that particular trade. Guess what smart traders does? Smart traders wait for a retest to that level and immediately they will buy again. This is called a flip or a role reversal. This flipping of this level, it's where market structure is burned. The mistake most traders does is treat support and level like exact prices, like saying I will buy it when price gets to 1.002 and all that. But price doesn't care about your numbers, you know. It doesn't really care if you're buying or selling at 1.000 and all that. Support and resistance are zones and not lines. The only matter is if lots of people care about that zone. So if traders don't care about that zone, price just slices through it as if it's not even there. So as a result of this, if you try to trade every support bounce or every resistance touch, you will just blow up your account away. This is the rules. Do not trade the level, trade the reaction towards that particular level. This is how you can use support and resistance profitably. I'm going to give you 3 profitable methods on how to use support and resistance without having to blow your account. Step 1. Look at where price has bounced and dropped from before. These are the zones of interest, or this is a zone of interest. Mark them with a box and not a line. Step 2. Wait for price to retest that zone that you have marked with a box. Step 3. Watch how it reacts. If price stalls, weak, form a big candles, buyers and sellers might be stepping in. If price breaks through it with power and strength, automatically that zone or that level has become a role reversal, or that level has flip sides. But please do not just guess. Pause, take a deep breath, let the market show you what it wants to do, then you react towards it. Here it's a live trading of one of my accounts, so just stay tuned and see how I did it. I think for like 1, 2, 3 hours now it has been running. XAUUSD currency pair, that's gold. This is a real account, it's a live trading. A quick one, this is where we entered this market from. Okay, this is what we saw. This is our support zone, and this is another support zone. You know, it's very wrong, like I said, to be marking just one line as your support. It has to be two, like, you know, and like I said, the support is like the floor, while the resistance is like the ceiling. So the price came, there's a structure here. It has been trending. You can see it has been going up at a higher low, higher low, higher low, and all that. It has been coming like this. You can see from here, higher low, higher low, higher low. You understand? So it has been like that, meaning that the role reversal, meaning that resistance turning into support. You understand? So that's what has been happening. Structures have been breaking and all that. This has been a zone where buyers has been coming in, so it's very predictable that once it comes back to the zone, buyers will come inside. But we cannot just enter a trade because of price came here to touch. And we saw this bullish spinning top here. You can see when this shows here, it indicates that there will be a possible trend reversal, so we have to wait until the buy candle start building, then we immediately enter the trade at this price, that is 3400.106, and the price, and we set our stop loss at the low of this particular candle formation. This is where we are going to take our profit at this. That's about 40 USD for educative purpose. Yes, this is a practical. This is a live trading. Like I always tell my students, I prefer teaching on how to grow your account, because of there's always joy when you grow your account to a level. Oh, you can see. We just took profits. The flipping of the support and resistance zone is called market structure. Higher highs and higher low, then lower highs and lower low. In case you have any question you want to ask or you are lost, put it down in the comment section. I will answer you. Thank you for watching.